Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neetu, and you are watching English Talk Corner. In today's video, I thought why should I not create a vlog to check my level of English, that how much I can speak or not. And together it is experimenting also, right? So in the today morning, like nobody is at my home because my husband left my home at the 5 a.m. because he has to go village because there is some issue like all the was there. So my mother-in-law, she called him, and after that go he has to go village, and together my son is also go with him. So after that I thought why should I not create a vlog because nobody is here to disturb me. So first I'll change my outfit, and this is my night wear outfit. Okay, so first I changed it, and after that I'll meet you in the vlog. And together I'm just making something for eating, that I made rice for myself because in the morning time I feel to eat something heavy because literally I'm feeling very hungry right now. Okay, so first I'll change the outfit and then I'll meet you. Now I'll just change my clothes, and now I'm ready to make tea for myself. And now I'm going to my kitchen and I'm just checking whether my rice is cooked or not. So this is my kitchen, all of you. So I'll just show you. My kitchen is very dirty, like all the aloo ki pickle, potatoes cover is there. Okay, after that let's whether I have to make a tea for myself. Okay, so first I'm going to make a tea and then I'll meet you in the breakfast time. Now I'm just going to make tea for myself, and now I took a one pan. In that pan I add half cup of water, and then I will add tea. Then I will add some sugar according to my level of tasting. I don't like more sweet and I don't like very less sweet. I like middle one. Okay. So some of the peoples, they add some salt in the last of tea. I don't know whether you are using or not. But when I was at my mother house, at that time my mother is really like to add salt in after the tea. But now I don't like it because when I came in in-laws house, I just forgot about it, and now I don't like the taste of my salty. Okay, a little bit salt, not too much. Okay, up now I'm just going to make it, and I will boil that after until it will not become little bit, because I will take only few half cup of tea I will drink it. Okay, so let's wait it, and then I will add milk. 1 cup of milk I will add on that, and then I will cook maybe 5 minutes, and then I will stain it on the cup, and then I will have it. Then I will have my breakfast. Okay, so why should I waste your time? Just let's meet in. Today now I will tell you that what I have in my breakfast to eat. So first I have 1 plate of rice, tea, there is 1 curd, and this is green chutney. So this is all my breakfast today, and let's finish it, and I will finish this food, and then I will try to use some vocabularies, and I will try to use that how I speak this language at home. Okay, so first I'll finish it because right now I'm very hungry. Yesterday I want to show you my all daily routine, but you know what was the problem? After my breakfast I took medicine of iron. That's why I just less sleep. I got sleep. You know, whenever I took medicine of iron, at the time I feel very bad. I feel not well from inside. The some vomiting issue was there, and inside your body there is something that is happening. And when I don't feel good, then I just let down on the bed and I was sleeping at that time. Nothing. And after the 4:30 I get up. Then whatever I made in the morning time, ate that dinner, and after that I just made coffee for myself. And the whole day I was not okay. I don't want to touch anything. So this all happened yesterday. So before that, it's happened whenever you are taking medicine of iron. So in your body there are lots of change has started. Okay. So now it's happened. That's why I did not close that. Did not. Uh, uh, did not. Uh, Make vlog for my YouTube channel. Okay, so now I'll just want to close my uh, this challenge now, and let's meet in another video. And don't, I want to make a vlog, but what we can do. Okay, bye bye.